Wckcsos Working Committee Ukhrul on Tuesday lifted its counter-economic blockade and total shutdown along National Highway 202 after Manipur government assured the organization that no community would be subjected to selective economic restrictions. The decision followed a meeting at Shangshang between a government delegation led by Home Minister Govindas Kontaujam and spokesperson Thokchom Radesham and representatives of Wckcsos-Ukhrul. The committee said an agreement was reached with concerned Tangkhul and Meitei groups to end the alleged blockade against Wckcsos people, prompting it to withdraw its countermeasures from 4:30 p.m. The committee had imposed a counter-economic blockade on July 27 and escalated it into a total shutdown from August 5. Under a handwritten agreement signed with the government delegation, the administration undertook to ensure the safety and security of National Highway 202, prevent blockades and disturbances, and facilitate the free and non-discriminatory movement of essential commodities. The committee said normal movement could resume from 4:30 p.m. but warned that the lifting of the blockade was contingent on the government implementing its assurances in letter and spirit. The development temporarily eases tensions surrounding competing economic blockades along National Highway 202, with the administration's ability to keep the highway open and secure now under close watch.